Today's video is about sourdough pizza bases. So when I make pizza dough by hand especially, I try to mix all the ingredients very quickly. And I don't do more than 2 kilos at once, especially if I mix them with my hands, because otherwise I'm risking to find some lumps at the bottom, no matter how well I mix the dough. So I try to keep it small, and if I need to multiply the batches, I do 2 kilos at a time. In this bowl now I have 1.2 liters of water, because I always start at 60% hydration, 2 kilos of flour, 40 grams of salt, and 200 grams of starter. That's when this tool is very well required. As you can see, the dough is relaxed now, start improving. Now we're gonna stretch and fold it once and then put it into a container. So you see, that's a beautiful gluten structure there, beautiful. So with the aid of some water, and this one also helps increasing hydration. Pull it, and you see how this one smooths out straight away. It's marvelous. Perfect. This is ready. Here we go. Perfect. In 24 hours, this dough would have doubled, and we portion our pizza dough. Lid on. And fridge. The dough is roughly fermented for 24 hours, more or less, and it's ready to be portioned at 250 grams, which is the size of the pizza balls that I make. So now 250 grams. And this is 250 grams. You see, this one is not a big bowl, but it will be a nice, wonderful bowl soon. Now, these ones are ready. I'm gonna put them onto the pizza trays here. These are made on purpose for pizza, and I'm gonna put 3 times 4, so 12 in each box. Let's see how many I can make. So one of the most important parts of making a pizza bowl is to roll them tightly and make sure that the bottom it's sealed, so when you stretch them, they don't tear. You can see that's completely closed. So now first thing is to set up the temperature for the base and the top of the oven to simulate an electric pizza oven. Okay, so the first one we got to about 280 at the top, 280, and we got 260 at the bottom. So this will guarantee that we cook the pizza very fast and quickly after we stretch them. This one is the best tool to put your pizza bases in the oven. So you can see it's nice and flat, very sharp at the top here, and easy and light to carry and use. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go into the bench, lift the pizza and put it in the oven. These are a few tools that we need. The docker, this one will help do some pokes in the pizza base so it doesn't bubble too much. Of course, flour. This is a mix of rice flour, wholemeal flour, and white strong flour, and then of course the scraper. This one will help us remove the pizza from the box over here. We dust with some flour. We remove the pizza bowl, trying to keep it as round as possible. And then from the center to the sides. If you don't feel comfortable to do this, you can definitely use a rolling pin. If the pizza dough sticks to your hands, that's normal. Use a little more flour, because then we'll be able to shake it off with movements like this one. Then try to widen it, very delicate. If this happens, you stick it from the top to the edge. One, two. This is a wonderful round pizza base. Look at that. And this is what you want. A beautiful pizza base. Look how fluffy that is. Steamy hot. It's beautiful.